Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to build a website for a local business using AI. So I'll be using Claude AI and Gemini AI for images. This is the prompt I'll be using. It's saying to create a high converting local service website for a business called Randy Seward Draining Cleaning. What a tongue twister. Be sure to include business email, phone number, and location. This business doesn't have an exact address. So generally, Google like to rank Google businesses with exact physical address, but this is a service area business for now. So this is the prompt that I have here. You can slow down the video and take a screenshot, or if you really want this prompt, just send me a message and I'll send it to you. So I paste that in here, and this is gonna take a minute. While that's loading, I'm gonna be creating some images for the landing page here. Okay, Gemini. Generate. Oh, whoops. Give me a second. Generate. Let's see what ideas it can come up with. Generate an image using Nano Banana. Create image. Generate an image for a local business website. Local sewer drain cleaning business website. Let's see what it comes up with. So we got two generating, and then we're just gonna wait.
One eternity later.
Oh, that looks great. Unfortunately, it's citywide. Maybe we can change the name. The name of the business is, copy this right here. All right, there we go. Randy Seward and Drain Cleaning. We can definitely use that. Let's create another one. And generate another one. Let's generate a whole different one. Whole other one with a vertical aspect ratio.
1 hour later.
Oh, very nice. Maybe change his task to something else. Awesome. Let's use this one. All right, we got 2 saved. We'll leave this aside until we figure out if we need anything else. All right. Wow, look what we got here. Fast, reliable. So generally, you want your H1 to be your location and service. So you got your service, but you don't have the location. Maybe we'll change that up in the future. Looks like a nice wrench logo. Same days. I love the colors. License. Okay. You got your services. I wonder if these services page are built out. Let's see. Let's just got your services, problems. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it already. Got your testimonials and your facts. This is a really long footer. It should split this out into grids. But anyways, let's see if these work. Got your, wow, perfect. You got your services. Each services page. Now we would like to add some images in here, right? Let's see. Let's go back to check out the about page first. Service area. Okay. We would like to see each service areas to have its own page, but let's work through that. Contact page. Maybe you should call 911. I'm not sure about the business. All right. So if we check out what this click does, and it does go to the phone number. Very nice. What does free? Okay, free estimate goes to the contacts page. All right, so let's add some images to this. I really like this part. All right, let's use one of these images that we have here. Drop that in right here. Put this on the hero. Done. Hero's not embedded in basics for URI. I don't see it, but it's okay. We will move on. Change the footer link into grid. Perfect. Let's see. That's the grid. But I like, oh, that's perfect. But I like these quick links. Let's categorize the quick links, and yeah, let's categorize the quick links. Separate them by category. I like that they changed this too. There we go. Okay. It just didn't update. Perfect. Wow. So you got your services, help, service areas. Perfect. Perfect. Now let's figure out what this image issue is. The image is not showing on the hero section. Okay. It has the word hidden at it. Oh, there we go. But let's wait for them. Oh, maybe it's too big. There we go. See, hidden block, which means it only appear in wider screen. Wow, how much wider can it be? Okay, there we go. Now it's just ugly. It looks like I reached my limit. Pretty sure I was paying for it. I'm gonna pause right here while I pay for the limit. Okay. All right. I'd like the image to be on the right side on a large screen, and on mobile have it on the bottom. There we go. Okay. Perfect. That is perfect. All right. We got that. Quality could be better, but it's okay. Do we want a better logo? I don't know. Let's check out each of these services. Oh, I see. We would like a separate page for each of these services. Let's do that. Oh, great. Create a page for each service. The services on the nav bar should be a drop down with all the services links. Also, yep, that should be good. Now we do want some more images. Let's see, let's go back to Gemini. So we want generate a new image for, let's see, which one should we do? Sewer camera inspection? I didn't even know that was such a thing. Clog drain clearing service. Okay, let's let that generate. And did it do it? Yes, it did. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. What was the prompt again? I forgot. Okay, the services. So let's go to the service. Drain cleaning. We got drain cleaning. We got other services you might need. We should add some images to these. All right, let's see. Perfect. Let's do the same thing for the locations. Let's do the same thing for the service areas. Create a page for each service area. Actually, you know what would be great? If these were links to that area. We'll add that in later. All right, let's see what we got. It links it to the page. Very nice. Okay, so the area has the links to each service. Okay, now we just need these in the individual service pages under have it linked to the location area page. That should be fast. I would like to reorder the nav bar. Reorder the nav bar to be home, about, services, locations, contact. We need to add some pictures to these services. All right, very nice. Now I would like to add this picture in for commercial. For the add this image for the commercial service page. All right, perfect. That would work. Mobile responsive, very nice. Now we want to change these to be more transactional. For each service pages, the content should be high converting transactional intent, not informational. All right, let's see. Call. Wow, okay. I would like these to be in grids, but looks good. You got a lot of call to actions here. Wow. Are these all the same? I think that works. All right, we'll leave it at that. And there's your website. Got a nice clean website. And now we're gonna host it. This is gonna get a little bit more technical. Allow me to host this on Vercel. And then we need to create a GitHub account. This is free. And create a new repository. Let's call this Randy Sewer Drain Cleaning. Keep this private. Create. And we have this code here. We're going to come back to this. We need to download whatever it's going to give us. All right, now we can download this. And follow these commands. Unzipped it. Push to new GitHub. So this is the GitHub that I created here, right? If you're getting stuck, you can always ask it questions. But since I already have this command here, what I'm going to do is go to the favorite terminal and copy that code in. Because I already have it. Let's see, git status. Nope, there is no git. Git init. Git status. Git add. Basically this thing right here. Git commit, initial commit. This message could be anything. So I committed it, and then we're gonna do this part right here. Well, I don't want it to be main. I want it to be master. Git push, and it's this one right here. And voila! Let's see if it works. Refresh, and we have it right here. Now we need to deploy this. Let's see. Deploy via recommended, go to Vercel, new project deploy. Okay, let's do that. Add new project. Oh. All right, now we have it here. Import this, deploy. Now it's deploying. We're gonna have to wait and we're gonna set up the domain. Oh, it's done. Let's check it out. Let us check it out. Visit. And there you have it, a website. Let's check this, what it looks like on mobile. Looking good. And all we need to do is set this domain up. And that will be good. All right, I set up the DNS records. So now it is verifying and we're good to go. All right, let's go to the website, randydraincleaning.com. And there you have it, a brand new website with all your links. If you want a website built with SEO optimized conversion, I have a whole blog post about how to create a local business homepage for better SEO conversion. So this has a visual guide on how you should structure your website with descriptions on why you should do it that way. We also have the difference between a homepage and a landing page, as well as how to develop a page for a landing page. We don't necessarily do it with AI. We normally create projects ourselves. So one of our latest project we see here is Northeast Claims Adjusters, right? This is their old website. So we transformed their old website, which looked like this, and to a new one, which looks like this. And you can check it out on live here. We also generated these unique icons, and we also do assets. So for Marcy, we created their website, we created their brand, we created their business cards and their brochures, and they're all SEO optimized. We do plenty of this. And within 6 months, generally, not even 6 months, within 3 months or so, you'll start seeing improvements on your digital marketing, your SEO, your rankings, both on AI and Google Maps. So if this is something you're interested in, please let me know.